Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn the most useful phrasal verbs which we come across in our daily life. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. First one is look up. Look up, which means to find or search for information in a book or on computer. Next one, do over. Do over, which means to repeat something doing. Next one, give up. Give up, which means to quit or to surrender or to lose hope for. Okay? Next one, cheer up. Cheer up, which means to feel happier or to make someone else happier. Next one, gobble up. Gobble up, which means to eat quickly and greedily. Okay? Next one, wake up. Wake up, which means to stop sleeping and become conscious. Next one, show up. Show up, which means to arrive or appear at a place for an appointment or gathering. Okay? Next one, speak up. Speak up, which means to talk louder or more clearly. I'll repeat again for you. Speak up means to talk louder or more clearly. Okay? Try to practice with me. Okay. Next one, set up. Set up, which means to establish or arrange in a position. Okay? I'll repeat again. Set up means to establish or arrange in a position. Got it? Next one, fill up, fill up, which means to make something full or to become full. Next one, cook up, cook up, which means to cook food for something or to invent a story or plan. Okay, next one, hang up, hang up, which means end a phone call. Next one, go ahead, go ahead, which means to start or to proceed. Try to repeat after me. Okay? Next one, pay for, which means give money to buy. Next one, move on, move on, which means to continue in your life. Next one, come on, come on, which means to start something. Next one, come across, come across, which means to meet someone by chance. Okay? So that's the end of this video. I hope guys it's helpful to you. If it is, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.